Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix purchase not available in Brawl Stars. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is turned off, turn it back on and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Next, click on Advanced Network Settings. Then select Network Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. This can help refresh your network configuration and resolve connection-related issues. Now, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click Check for updates and install any available updates. Keeping Windows updated can help prevent compatibility issues. After that, go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog by pressing Windows key plus R. Here type temp and click OK. Now delete all the files in the folder. If some files cannot be deleted, simply skip them. Then open the Run dialog again and type %temp%. Click OK and delete all the files in this folder as well to clear temporary system files. Next, open the Recycle bin. Here click Empty Recycle bin to permanently remove the deleted files. Now open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left side, click Privacy and Security. Then click Delete Browsing Data. Select a time range, check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Now click Delete Data and wait for the process to finish. Once everything is complete, restart your computer. After restarting, launch Brawl Stars again and check whether the purchase issue has been resolved. If the problem continues, make sure you are signed in to the correct App Store account and that your payment method is active and up to date. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.